Today we're going to be unboxing the BPL303 in rust. Inside you're going to get a stem riser, a small hat, a ground spike, and a 20-watt standard halogen bulb. This fixture is also compatible with LED. This fixture comes with a 18-2 direct burial cord. Plugging the LED inside of the socket, simply just press firmly, and now you're ready to screw the hat onto the fixture. Now taking the 18-2 direct burial cord, simply pass the burial cord through the ground spike and onto the fixture.